Let's take a look at Power BI interactive reports, and so basically when you're using Power BI desktop, and you can generate reports in the portal or service, but the reports are interactive. So if you're getting confusing, like there's Power BI reports and interactive reports, basically by default everything's interactive with Power BI. Okay, so here is an example of one. I just downloaded the like the example one that Microsoft provides. And as you can see, they like in the middle of it, there's like a little knob. So that kind of gives you an indication of interactivity. Or there's like other buttons here. So like if you go here, you can actually click between map and tabular. I believe you can move this range around to get different information. So they're highly interactive. And they're extremely stylized. As you can see, you can make them look really, really good. A report can contain many pages, and you can assemble reports as easy as choosing a visualization and dragging it out. So you take that, just drag it out where you want to go, and customize it from there. Now, underneath, what you can do is you can see the underlying data. So it's just like tabular data and all the tables and fields that populate it. And you can, and I think with like a pro version, you can modify it. And so you cannot do these with dashboards. So when you're using the Power BI service, you're not going to get access to this. When you're looking at data modeling, it's again in Power BI desktop, you can see the relationships between models and modify them and do things with them. Again, you cannot do this with dashboards. And that's a key thing you need to understand between the interactive reports and the dashboards.